wake up in the morning and think, gosh, it's early. I wish I could stop time and sleep longer so that I can be ready and alert throughout the day? Well, now you can.
Really? How?
By purchasing our new TimeStop alarm clock.
Golly gee, what's that?
By placing our new time-stopping device into an alarm clock, we can allow you to actually snooze when you hit snooze.
Whoa, tell me more.
How about I show you?
Okay. Whoa!
Just by pressing the snooze button, it freezes time just for you. But don't take our word for it. Let's hear from a very happy celebrity. Used to be tired, but look at me now. Thanks to TimeStop alarm clock, I'm alert and ready for the day. Order yours now. Insomnia, drowsiness, slap happiness, excessive giggling, and or time travel. Toll-free number 1-800-SNOOZE today. If you call within the next 15 minutes, we'll double the offer and throw in another TimeStop alarm clock. Only for $32.24, plus shipping and handling.
So call and get yours today, or you're a loser.
Wait.
Stop.
Hold on. Okay, if you hold on, press. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
So you.
Whoa!
I think I got it.
Oh God!
I think the same time, but I
What's that? Call me. Like, call me. 1-800-SNOOZE today. Awesome.
Oh yeah. That's. Sorry, go. Okay. I used to be tired, but look at me now. Thanks to TimeStop alarm clock, I'm full. Can you hear that?
It's going.
I used to be tired, but look at me now. Thanks to TimeStop alarm clock, I'm fully alert and rested for today.
The dog's just in the mouth. It's dancing around.
That's okay.